Hey everyone, what's going on? It's your boy Krebsy Crypto, and for today's video, I'm going to be taking a look at the overall crypto market and just kind of going over with you guys how the crypto market has kind of been pumping over like the past week. So it's just good to see, especially for profitability when it comes to mining and things of the sort. This video won't be too long. I just kind of wanted to touch on this since there hasn't really been much other news going on and not many tutorials I've been coming across that I can kind of work and do. So I'm just figured why not just like take a look at Coinmarketcap and the profitability calculators and things like that and kind of see where the crypto market's at and where like the profitability could start to come into play eventually. And we're hoping this, pump continues. As always, like the crypto market tends to go into a bear market for some time and then come out pumping again and reach all-time highs once again. It's a common trend over the past few years, so this is nothing new. If you are a long-time crypto investor or just a long-time crypto miner or just interested in crypto overall, you've been following the trends for years. This is a common routine. So this could be the potential turnaround that we need to actually see the profitability start to come out. So as we see here on coinmarketcap.com, this gives you an overlook of like the whole crypto market and the top crypto coins, the percentages, the gains, everything just all on one page, so it's easy to follow. But as we see for today's cryptocurrency prices by market cap, and mind you, today is January 17th. So this video may come out today. If not, it will come out on the 18th. So as we see, the global crypto market cap is 1.34 trillion, a 1.81% increase over the last day. But what I mainly wanted to touch on was the 7% gains. So the 7-day gains in percent wise. So over 7 days, so over the past week, as we see here, like Bitcoin is number one here. It's gained 20%. So it's good to see. This is, mind you, too, this is Canadian. So it's almost $30,000 Canadian. So it's good to see it touching back up in the 30 grand mark. Ethereum's gone up 16% in the past week. And stablecoin, we won't worry about that. BNB has gone up 7.79% in the past week. We'll see XRP's gone up almost 9%. Cardano's gone up 9.36%. Dogecoin's went up 7%. Polygon or Matic has gone up 17%. Solana has gone up 41%. Polkadot has gone up 19.39%. Litecoin has gone up 6.2%. Shiba Inu has gone up 12.21%. So overall, these gains seem to be a general gain of the altcoins and the main crypto coins, so like Litecoin, Bitcoin, Dogecoin, things of the sort. But then you have ones like Shiba and other ones that are making gains as well. So as we see, if we continue down the list, Tron's gone up even 11%. Avalanche has gone up 35%. Uniswap has gone up 11%. Wrapped Bitcoin has gone up 20%, obviously, because that's just the wrapped. 9% for Cosmos, and it goes on and on. You can go and compare a bunch of these, but the gains are all different, obviously, and like just depending on what their price is. But right now, price-wise, obviously Bitcoin's up top, but not so much for gains. It's just, this is just how I have it laid out. I might be able to click it here. So it looks like I think the Decentraland has the most gains over the 7 days at 75%, but that's all right. So let's try to get back. There we go. So as we see, we just kind of wanted to go over that and show you guys, like, we are in, it looks like more, like, I'm not going to say we're in a bull run or anything, but we are definitely veering out of that bear market, it seems like. This is no guarantee. It's not financial advice. I'm just a guy sitting in my crypto mining room and just talking, this discussion, just kind of bringing it up to you guys. Don't take this as any, like, investing advice or, like, mining advice or anything of the sort. I'm just kind of going over it and just describing to you guys to show you that potentially we could be narrowing out of that bear market. And since it's a new year, it's just going to be another pump of the markets. So it tends to happen, like I said. So hopefully this continues this uptrend with a lot of these coins, so then we could finally turn a profit. But now we're just going to go over and take a look at some profitabilities for graphics cards for mining wise to see, where the profits are at, to see how much we're still negative or if there's any way you can, cut a profit essentially. So over here on Nicehash, they have a profitability calculator and you can check it out for yourself if you want. I have the currency set in Canadian dollars because obviously I'm in Canada, as I've mentioned before on my channel. My electricity costs are 0.098 cents, so just under 10 cents a kilowatt. And then my devices are, right now I'm running my GTX 1060s, So we'll throw these in just for a quick example. I know they're not top tier cards, they're not high end or anything, but it's just kind of what I'm running so you guys can have a sense of it here. And these are at my hydro rates here. So your hydro rates could be more, it could be less, so your profits and things are going to vary. If you're lucky and don't pay hydro, you're always cutting a profit, obviously. But as you see, running two of them is minus 12 cents a day. So, I mean, it's not horrible, but, it's slowly getting better. So in one day, it's, so that's, I believe that's per card. So, let's see, one day income is 30 cents, electricity cost is 42 cents, profit is minus 12 cents, and then 1 month is $10.15. As my income, electricity cost is $12.69, and my profit would be negative $2.54. So really, at the end of the month, I have to come up with like a $3 difference, because my if I were to go ahead and sell this, if I were to sell the $10 worth every month towards the hydro cost, I'd only have to come up with $2 difference. But I will just hang on to the Bitcoin and pay the difference of $12 each month out of my own pocket. That's not too bad. It's all starting to turn around, and we are starting to get a little better profits. At the beginning of the month, or towards the end of December, I was like negative 20 cents, negative 15 cents. Now we're negative 12 cents. And right now, the best one to mine is Zhash, and this is just for Nicehash, I mind you. So it all depends on like your algorithm and things of the sort. But if you are wanting to be paid in Bitcoin, Nicehash is your go-to and the easiest route. As I've made videos on it in the past, you can go check them out. They're recent videos, just near the end of last year. But as we see here, Zhash, and then I get paid out in Bitcoin, and it just makes it simple and easy. But that's just a 1060 3 GB. I'm just going to turn this down to 1. I also have a 1650, which I'm not currently running. It's just kind of set aside for now. And this is a 4 GB device. And mind you, I believe this is without any overclock or underclock. This is just straight stock settings if you are to use this profit calculator. But as we see, my 1650, I'm only losing 2 cents a day. So that's not bad at all. Obviously, I'm not making a huge amount, it just being a mobile card. So one day, my income is 16 cents. Electricity cost is 17 cents. Therefore, the difference is 2 cents. I believe that would be 1 cent difference. But either way, 1 or 2 cents, I'm not going to fuss. So at the end of the month, I would be making $4.98, pretty well $5 of income. Electricity cost would be $5.28. So the difference would be 30 cents. So nothing crazy. I would just be paying either $5.28, or if I were to sell the profit, I would just pay 30 cents there as a difference out of my own pocket. But as we see, it is getting better and better. And I'll just click something more modern. And mind you, this is all at my 0.098 cent kilowatt an hour electricity cost, however it's calculated. But it almost cost me just under 10 cents a kilowatt. So nothing too crazy. But as we see, let's just go for something more recent, I think, here. Let's see. Let me type. Oops. Well, let's do a 3060, let's just say. So right now, with the current electricity cost of 0.098 cents a kilowatt, the NVIDIA RTX 3060 is profitable by 8 cents a day. So that's good to see. Some of these higher end cards are going to be more profitable. Mine is some older technology. I know I have to upgrade. I'm going to be working on getting newer cards and things. I wouldn't mind getting, like 2060, 3060 just for mining. Hopefully I can come across something at a fair price, since, the graphics card prices have come down as well. But as we see here, in the 1 month span, the income is $10.78. Electricity cost is only $8.08. So therefore, the profit is $2.70. And this is all Canadian. So that seems to be good, at least for like the people that do have these higher end cards. Seems to be cutting a profit if you are under that 10 cent a kilowatt range. You could probably even be paying just a little over 10 cents and you might still cut a bit of a profit. But yeah, anything under that 10 cent range for electricity seems to be the sweet spot right now. And depending on your card, I will try a 2060 maybe, just out of curiosity to see what like the cutoff point. So even a 2060 is still profitable by 5 cents a day at a 0.098 cent kilowatt an hour electricity rate. So it's good to see, because I know a lot of people use these type of cards like 3060s and up for mining, not so much like the lower end cards like myself. I just kind of stick within a budget and work with what I got. I can't fathom spending like, close to $1,000 or, $800 on a graphics card. I wait for those good deals for something to come around, even if it's a bit older, like my current setup. I just figure why not? But, I might invest in like a 2060, 3060, something of the sort, because right now they are pulling a profit. And if you are running multiple of them, you could pull more of a profit, you could pull a loss. It all comes down, like I always say, to your electricity rate and what you're paying there. So this is just good to see. I kind of just wanted to go over this with you guys to show you that there are profitable cards out there. It all just varies on your electricity rate and what pools and what algorithms and things of the sort you're mining. I highly recommend using Nicehash. It's simple and easy to use, especially their software. Or if you want to use like an OS, you can just go ahead and use their Stratum generator and mine rate to Nicehash. That's what I'm doing. I'm using my Hive OS and mining rate to Nicehash here using Zhash, and I'm making 26 cents a day right now. It's even going up every hour, it seems like, pretty well, my daily earnings, because crypto has just been kind of pumping lately. So it's good to see this. Just want to go over this with you guys to show you like the profits and things of the sort, and just to give you guys an overall comfort of the market, to show you guys, things are turning around. There is always light at the end of the tunnel. You just gotta withstand the bear market, and there's nothing wrong with that. You just buy when things are low, you mine when things are low, so when the next bull run comes around, you could sell and just buy more mining equipment or invest more or whatever you want to go, whatever route you do want to go. So I guess this still ended up being a little bit longer of a video, longer than I expected it to be, but I get rambling on, and I just want to kind of go over this with you guys, kind of bring like a new style of video, just kind of ranting and rambling on, while kind of just briefly going over something like a certain topic or something off the sort. This is all just off the top of my head. I figured why not do this. But yeah, that's all I got for you guys today. If you did enjoy today's video, make sure that like and subscribe button, as it lets me know you guys are enjoying my content. But I hope you all have an amazing day, and this is Krebsy Crypto signing out.